Hey friends, welcome back to Join YouTube channel. Today, we're doing a unboxing and review of Brian's Toyota Supra from Fast and Furious. Alright friends, let's unbox this car. Alright friends, it is unboxed. Here's some facts about the Toyota Supra. It was originally owned by Craig Lieberman, before it was in the Fast and Furious franchise. The engine was a Delta wastegate, and it produced 220 horsepower. This particular car is orange with a very cool livery from Fast and Furious. Let me show you around the livery. That's one of the sides. This is the other side. This is the back. And this is the front of it. The doors on this one do open. Let me show you. That one opens, and yeah, this one opens. Yeah. Alright friends, if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, give this video a like, and comment down, who's your favorite person from Fast and Furious. I'm not quite sure on mine. I'll just say Brian O'Connor because we're doing, his Supra today. Alright friends, if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, leave a like on the video, comment down what your favorite person from Fast and Furious is, and please share the video if you liked it, and share it with your friends, and I will see you next time friends. See you next time, bye, and keep on showing, and I will see you next time, bye friends.